Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page. So let's get started the video. To create a QR code for your Facebook page, you will have to open the Facebook page in a web browser. Go to your web browser and log into your Facebook account. Then open your Facebook page. Now right-click here, then select QR code for this page. And there it is. Your QR code is ready to download. Click on download and open it. Now you have a QR code for your business page. This can be a great tool for promoting your page. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.